Question number 7. They are asking us to find a point on the x-axis. This is your x-axis. They are asking us to find a point P. We will assume that the point is P. They are asking us to find the coordinates of this point P, which will be having equal distance from the point A, which is 2, minus 5, and same distance from the point B. Actually point A is 2, minus 5, point B is minus 2, 9. So this distance and this distance are going to be equal. That is what is given. In that case, what will be the coordinates of this point P? You know that this point P is lying on the x-axis. On the x-axis you have value only for x. Y coordinate is going to be 0. So any point on the x-axis is of the form x, 0. X can take any value. Now we are going to find distance AP and BP. Then we are going to equate both the distances. This is your point B. Since they have given the distances are equal, we have distance AP equal to distance BP. We are going to equate both the distances. You know that the formula is x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. The same formula is what we are going to use here. x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we are going to substitute the values. When we substitute the values, when we consider A and P, this is going to be your x1, y1, and this is going to be your x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 is going to be x minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. 0 minus of minus 5 is going to be 0 plus 5 the whole square. That will be equal to, on the other side, when you consider the point BP, this is going to be your x1, y1, and this is going to be your x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, x minus of minus 2 is going to be x plus 2 the whole square plus y2 value is 0, y1 value is 9. So we are going to have 0 minus 9 the whole square. Now we are going to square on both sides. When we are going to square on both sides, what is going to happen is, I will show you what we are doing. We are going to square on both sides. When you are squaring, the square and the square root will get cancelled. Here also square and the square root will get cancelled. So we will be having only the terms inside. That is x minus 2 the whole square. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 squared is going to be 25 equal to, on the other side we will have x plus 2 the whole square. 0 minus 9 is minus 9. Minus 9 squared is going to be 81. This is what we will be left over with. Now you expand this using the formula a minus b the whole squared, and this using the formula a plus b the whole squared. So you will have x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. Now both the sides you can see x squared there. So you can cancel that x squared which is common on both sides. Then bringing all the variables to one side and taking all the constants to the other side, you will have, already we have minus 4x here. Bring that plus 4x to this side, you will have another minus 4x equal to, we have 4 and 81 on that side. Now we are going to take this numbers to the other side. When you take this 4 to the other side, it will become minus 4 when you take 25 to the other side, it will become minus 25. You can see that 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled. So we will have minus 8x equal to 81 minus 25. 81 minus 25 is going to be 56. So your x value is going to be 56 by minus 8, because when you take this minus 8 to the other side, it will be 56 by minus 8. So your x value is going to be minus 7. Now we have found our x value, that is minus 7. So the point P is going to be, substitute that x value there. Your point P, they are asking us to find a point P on the x-axis which is going to be at equidistant from A and B. So that point which is equidistant from A and B is minus 7, 0. So it is not exactly on half the way. It is somewhere here, so that the distances are equal. It is not the middle point, it is a point equidistant from both the points. So this is the point which has equal distance between both the points. That point we have found as minus 7, 0.